Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna egg sandwich spread easy method. Gather canned tuna, hard-boiled eggs, mayo, mustard, celery, lemon, salt, and pepper, and set them ready on the counter. Drain the tuna well and peel and chop the eggs into small pieces. Keep measuring spoons handy so you can balance acid and salt easily and adjust to taste as you mix to create the perfect spread. Combine the flaked tuna and chopped eggs in a bowl with mayo and a touch of mustard. Add finely diced celery for crunch, a squeeze of lemon, and season with salt and pepper. Gently fold the mixture to keep some chunks rather than pureeing it into paste. Taste and tweak the acidity and seasoning, then cover and chill briefly so the flavors marry and the spread firms slightly for easier sandwich assembly. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making simple recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that outlasts kitchen mishaps. They're durable, comfortable, and honestly a funny little luxury when you're juggling meal prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair and enjoy them, now let's get back to the video. Spoon the tuna egg spread onto toasted bread and add crisp lettuce and thin tomato slices for a classic sandwich. For lighter serving, roll the spread into a wrap with greens or dollop onto crackers for a party tray. If you want a punch of flavor, stir in chopped pickles or capers to introduce a salty, tangy note that lifts the whole mixture without overpowering it. Enjoy immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.